sisters. Want to draw a single daughter dress today. Then the overall William maiden hatred. All in all, very beautiful and noble. A very versatile little makeup. Try it together. Exercise. I feel like the sky is dry now. I'm afraid the makeup on my head is too bad. Apply a mask to save it. And I love using this SC gold bandage. I think this film cloth is really special. Split. The upper half of the face. It's the kind of gold film with a sense of micro pressure. Can't see if I use this. The second half of the face. Although it looks like a flower, I feel like my whole face is being pulled up by him. Just very obedient. It won't hurt if you look at this essence. It's everywhere. And the super elastic bandage below. You can use it for an hour. Great for reducing swelling. I like this. It's not that my face has been a little slippery and loose lately. If you apply one more piece, you will really feel a tight circle on your face. I faded a lot. Let me show you this instant effect. Really good. The whole face. If you want to apply makeup later, don't worry about card powder. The whole makeup effect of peeling is much brighter when it comes out. Change to a new liquid foundation. Haven't used this in a long time. On my neck. I need a little more liquid foundation here on my forehead. Because I found it here is waste acid and makeup removal. Take a look at this mount. Get ready to apply makeup before it's really wet. My old rules, let's light up. Or apply it to your hands and then use a puff. Actually, I think it's okay not to conceal. If you black all the situation, I sometimes just use brightening instead. Don't talk, this can also brighten up a little. Brightening constitution, large surface, middle folding degree. In this case, it's still the same long-heeled Si Huo. And a little ordinary. Grooming my forehead and face. We hope everyone is like this. Don't open it for me. When you open it again, it is also installed in the same place and taken out. If you trim your face, don't wear the beads. We'll be a little fat. It is more natural to brush the nose shadow with a brush. Then we use a more powdery blush cream. Start with the cheekbones and the makeup strap. Both sides of the bridge of the nose. You can take a little bit of human color. Sweeter. Shaped white roll. Come to the first corner and you can't even eyebrow. But the eyebrows have a little upward trend. No eyebrow powder. Draw the donkey according to the eyebrow pencil. Eyeshadow words? Let's choose a pink tone that reduces swelling. Then wear it outside the bottom net red and pull it like this. Because the eye contact type is also relatively long, pick a darker color. Complete the diagram at one point, the end of the eye. Go out along the range just bottomed. Eyelashes to introduce to you. Eyeliner cross ratio filler eyebrow eyeliner. Let's take a look at the eye diagram. Let it grow beautiful. In front of you, I'm going to use a little pink tape as a base. Paste this false eyelashes. Look at the trend of this eyelash. Let's draw eyeliner. The black eyeliner was torn off. The rest of the water and dark color will be darker here next time. The bright color of pearlescent light cannot be fixed. Deepen and hold your shadow. Smudge the top half of our eyeliner. Don't forget the lower shoulders. The rule is never to set makeup. I'm still a little stupid here. You from here. Open your mouth and hit the bottom. Wow, this lip is blurred too. This water gloss pull, this lip glaze.